Hello guys, hello, is my voice clear? I saw like the last video has some background noise. Is that okay guys? And indeed, am I good? Everything's good? Did you hear my voice? Now play music that's gonna.
İstep yutuldun yarın her gün rast ve yalğın Hakikat ketken cadın nurgunlardan fakat vayvan Koçidim azam kaya düküzler Kuddi tişbek gidek gözüne Şitim bağlı kulun sosyal kaçattın özüne Nurgunlardan hakikatta pul tepiştim koyuda Bazı kişiler adada işsinip ketken oyuğa Geçe hardı dedi abba günüm yakşı Kıfını koyup bolup düştü yana kursak deme
Let me see guys, let me see how I am on the camera right now. I need to make it lower. All right, I think that's it guys. What is up, what is up, what is up? Hey guys, yes, the day before yesterday, after I work out, my left foot, I don't know, I'm become just too fragile or what, like it's pain, it's swollen, and then I wrap it up with our traditional way, which is a salt and egg white come together, wrap it up with a band-aid. It's a little better, but I still cannot like my right foot is okay, I can do whatever I want, but left foot is a little pain guys. So today I won't jump too much. I wish I can, but I won't. I will do more like plank, ab workout, and some shoulder punch. Okay guys, I can't jump that much. I know it's even 2 hours, but I will try because there's no quit in Uyghur Man's dictionary. Okay guys. No excuse. All right. Give me a second, 1 second. Even though I can't walk properly yesterday. I need to be like this. I need to save my left foot. But I really wanna. Nah, no, no. I need to recover first. Okay, I will do more plank. Okay. Let me see. Is it working? Okay, it's working. It's working. So you guys leave a message. Leave a message on YouTube, guys. Then I can see. Let me finish one thing. Plank. Plank is very efficient workout for your belly, for your side, you know. So I will do that more today. I can't jump. My feet is damn. How I can warm up though? If I can move, I will use my right foot. I'll use my right feet. Whew. Alright, or I will just keep doing it. Let's do it, guys, let's do it.
What is real shit? Shanjima's olsa. Harbiz uslublarımız şarkı kılmayı tutur homie okay. Drop the beat. Kera hikin insana.
Let me see how many ab crunch I can do today. Since I cannot move my left foot that much, so I will do ab crunch.
Bu güzel şarımda görüşüme toktuma öndüstürüşma. Reallık reyimsiz tusu bir yolun eligime başlatma ilişma. Abzının akşamda hınış buldarı. Kaydedin de döküz kırışma. Uzun gelmegen bulaksa esiyat. Kaydedin gelgende özümü tutalmay bow. Şunçelik ergen osko temden. Başkası yakmaydı bunçelik belki. Iskılatma kayıt kelden. Yanına şunçelik temkin. Başka da yana çıkışık tolup. Yıldızını özümle kayıt tutunup. Bu sefer haterlik sadikat kımısa. Gide dokanıtın kayıt sunup. Zahada buyup. Bu şey maronkamda ıkılap buyup. Gelgende fırsatını kayırıp buyup. Andı çok ağzımga bunun doyup. Yaxşı günlər xaldımda. Şu günlər xiyadımda. Mən unutalmayman. Ən qaranlıq günümni. Mən unutalmayman. Ən qaranlıq günümni. Mən unutalmayman. Ən qaranlıq günümni. Mən unutalmayman. Ayo what's up? Dep qolmagan ağinam o yiraqda. Qaytib kelgan tezroq yollarımda chiraq ba. Kunlar o'tdi bak tez afsus ko'risholmadik biz. Lekin hamini sabab bo'ldi ko'rishimizga yıldız forever. İşencim bak kelgüsü de biz good. Es kalsam ötken günler rastla akle test top. Nurgun nersidir geç top. Es katmaydı hala tiş.
Today is day 9 by the way.
Rio yaşap geldik lekin hayat demez drama. Emdi küller yaxşı buldu çünkü taşak plan ba. Ağinem kilişmezlik royumuz düşüp ketmişsin. O işlerini oyluğum yok es katmaydı gramga. Gelim set kur delikine. God damn. Yeah, let's go. Slut forever. Siyah forever. What's up? I'm 7'6". Ey, sen beni tanıdın mı? Tekken çarda tomurunga adam toludun mu? Şahmat digen anne küçep toludun mu? Yake vicdanınga hılap aldı orek koludun mu? Şahmat, I'm 7'6", motherfucker. Boom bap, naşanda küçep verdim tola. Elbette nurgun balı çavak çaldı sola.
Everything good? Working good, guys?
Underground tonu elbette ora. Çalkamıgan tek sandı sola bir storga. Aklat nakşı bakasığı çıkmaydıken kolga. No jump buldun havur yok ümit var balla. Çon yakıp nakşıları da isil balıdır olga. Ulan yetke ilgisi.
Okay, awesome. Everything's good, awesome.
Yine hatalıkını sadır kılıp kanma. Mence bolsa örle, kökle, ötüp gel. Hakının da pısığı pusma sığır çıktı salma.
Alright, guys.
Yine namım yaktım o. Şahmat sepra, avazlarım çaktım o. Durmuşku derdini döktüm, rayımda baktım o. Candan artık görgen bala vakti geldi aktım o. Şahmat sepra, bu M76. Şahmat sepra, bu M76.
All right, guys, if you just coming to my live stream, workout live stream, I supposed to run. I supposed to warm up my body a lot. I want to sweat, right? Like first 8 days, but my left foot has some injury. It's so pain, guys. But that's why I took 1 day rest yesterday. It was wrapping with the traditional way. I try to fix it, but it's not a big deal. But it just cannot. If I cannot just run like before. Even walk at home is like a little pain. So I won't run. I won't jump. I just do some ab workout. Maybe today I'll just a little slow, and I will do more plank, ab workout, and it's maybe more dumbbell workout too. Yeah, my foot is like that, but I can work out my other body part, right? So I don't want to, because of that, stop my challenge, you know. So I will keep going. So please let me know.
Oyla burun bir şadaman temtek balıktım yaşar yakça musafir buldum kanç geç yattığını beşini çükürüp şıklap doldum oyla burun bir şadaman temtek balıktım yaktır muhabbetin tek.
Yeah, hopefully my foot is like a little. Okay, I'll do plank. If you guys know or not, it's very good tension workout for your muscle, for your stress, for your belly part. I will try to do that. I will start from 1 minute. I'll try 3 times or 4 times with you guys. Put the time. I'll start from 1 minute, guys.
Öykünüse bulamadan hayatın kuşalığı diş var durmuşum 90% düşkün tınım sap ruhum bimar öykünüse azıcık için uzun erkek sürüp bakmadan geçikten lapsın doldu ödüne de hoşlaştım nakşine deginin öpmüşün ya ki kelüsün hep bir çıkarıp tekdirini konda etmemiş sen noktalı.
Oh yeah, 1 minute is even hard for me. Okay, 1 minute. One minute plank, and I will increase it slowly by days, not every day. Maybe tomorrow I'll increase 5 seconds. Damn. Just 1 day, guys, my flexibility is not that good. Okay, 30 lower, 30 lower up. 10 more.
Tımtas keçe. Tügümez oy fikir ilkide xiyal dengizgi çöktüm. Meynetçilik tansızlığı kaplagan etrafımda hakikat koynuğu möktüm. Kulak tutanışığış, ağlanmaktı klasik müzika. Hasreti kömüş üçün zaboy qaraq, bengi dava tamakka. Her qıtım düşenmek tez, turmuşqı deyişini ögendim boptular. Ötken keşkenini koy bir vettim vaqt özünün ixtiyarıga. Qiyin günde illiqlik ata qılgan birovni esli kirgizme uçtum tut. Meydan durup işengenlerim vaqti kelse diyelmeydi kel qolumni tut. Gülümsiraş işide reallıqni çörüp azabına alımen eski.
Thank you, Dean, Mr. Dean. Thank you, thanks for your blessing. Yes, it's very hurt. It's very painful. So, yeah, today was way better. I can walk like...
Yokluk koysam kayıt gelmeydi o, emri uçurtuşa ona daim. Tutalmaydığını
But I cannot.
Gelip kalamaydığı jıllar.
I cannot jump.
Kılışalmay kömülüp ketdi, kançı jıqdırlar. Hayat jığılap kep ünsüz ketadigan jaryan. Terip bolanmaysa jıqı tızılgan marjan çeçilsa riyan. Tügümez kaytılışlar bilen jürek mu ahırı çarçaydı. Etrafımda toşak artısa kutuptan kutupka hergiz canlaydı. Mağmaktı ben kumlukta, umayman menzilim payan. Yerden sorap bansam gayip silkipteydi, çokum özüngi tayan. Şus mücazza özgenmek bop, tapalmadım çare amalını. Köp işlerde ketküzvettim, veslik yetküzelmeye arzuyumdan armanını.
So I will do my side.
Reallık şu, ilgiri men esermez bolgan. Yoturup koyup bulumni tamak yeyişim tez soğan. Bırak yanıla ahırda taptım akıl uşumni. Koyup irvettim baxtimni tapdap qapaski solangan kuşumni. Başkalarga tayınış arkalık erişenmeyse özün kütken baxtke. Öz haslığı yok padişah bir malal oldur alamdı altın taxtke.
Thank you.
Her kişinin köldükidek muhabbet hikayesi yetişen ait tez. Çünkü yalğaçın açar köp yanda köldüğün bir-birden tez. Hep ahırı kaynap ketidi bazarda kiranlık şekbani sorun. Tuyuk yolga başlap kirip yaşlığını hazan qoldu ezin kuyun. Ballıqtaki günler bolsun patkaq pakizede əslime. Yüz biri vatandatar meynetçilikке baş qısıp olmayma təslime. Uzun sozulgan tüller. Cüp buzuqdan bir-biri qarab eğinişidir. Ya ki birine yaş dökken alda yine bir boğan sığınışıdır.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oof. Ah, so hot.
Madem ben kuşlarına kendim de arkasını sağ ulaşkan bu devirde. Tüketim şimdi körgünü ben dişe asmadı bunu tutsun git haber. Şimdi öyleydi kanım sıdıgan çapıdıgan hayvanı uzun boktu. Anamda bir çişle banımda bir yütüm üstünde bu leydi gene uzun boktu. Sınırsını dirges kırsını direk yolu katı bile ağene ben oçu bile şerif olup ben dünyaya ısporsam dünya bana yerik bulup kısa bile sabah tutu hayatımı kulup. Ayıp yaşın ormanı küp küp asmam bak ayakla gayip olup sen ben de sonra. Pıllı geçişi bile kerkiden mülküsünü birisini oymatalım yebirisini doğru.
Thanks. Thanks, Dean. Thanks, Mr. Dean. Yeah, it will be fine soon, I believe. Less than a week, less than a week. Yeah. So.
Canlı soluk doygan perver Ölgüzge toy yolbaştaki kuyruk ene çişlep Bırak ettim noçula kafasında kuyruğunun soğanı katarsa bedim kişnep Tekis yazı belki ay gece gündüzlüm ay İsmina işlep Hele gözüm gel peris tutup kılmay perver iş ve işret Hatalıkın üstünde izahat vermeymen üstünlükne eşkim gibi boğuştum Egaz yolbasa sen perver ızat kapsan beni işkince tağanға oğuştum Akıl dedi ki Hatta sarın vur Recezge bilip bilmek yenini tükkeni Hoca akın recezge sebek aciz Tan çıkın başla bağıyla da işkini Ey bayan tutan ne kökem roca kara tekçin Tüyük perver kumur tutma Hoca akın kumur sokuru bekçin Mecus çuvan hukunga erkek çıkın bekçin Ötüne ikiler Karga böyle çıkan yakçın Sen tügül kim kesi Saymen tadıga yetküzüp Bayanın tuzluk etişka yerine seküzüp Çünkü koydun uzun tek küzüp Kendini özengi okşaştın onu tip seküzüp Bayanın daha koyu haberine işkestek tek küzüp Eşini ek küzüp Boksini çek küzüp Perver erkekberlik et küzüp Ne seven var iken kendeylik perver Recetsizim artığın bayallık eşekte Noçılık bana bilgi yarışıdısından güldürmemez Vanın zıpla turar eşekte Karısıga canet Sizde kodu neye unuttuğun perver de tu incıkla boğaz İncıklamayıp kaktılan perverlikken tacınızı çok duydu kemini horas Mao balı ne? Çoğudumu yoğarrak polat yol vasalı ne? Taylı yaman boy bestidin yivetildığında kılıdı püstüm bir kalı ne? Gumasız es, deli oğlu oyup kırsız Recazı halaydı Uyghur rap alimi Sebep öğün idrak rapçiler yapışeme savadını çıkar kaç müzik malimi Kolumda yardımla tam sırazı ben Koyatım Uyghur rap hazinizde beytip O yardımla düşenmeydiğen Bu dep kapı bolmağın perver ras yardım kılıp koygan tokuğam Dönmese küçüşüp ayak perver kasten şıtı açı recazge isim şeytan deyip
Let's from now on I think I only stream YouTube and Twitch. I don't even need a Facebook, guys. So but I will share my YouTube video on Facebook if you want really. Hey Minnie, how you doing, Minnie? Yo Minnie, my left foot got injured, guys, so I cannot jump around today. It was, I was thinking I should stop or not, but I didn't. I will keep going. I will share. How you doing, Minnie? Okay. How you doing, Minnie? Yaxşı, yaxşı, Uyghur astronaut. So my left foot is injured, kind of. Yeah, now, yesterday was like this side. Yesterday was this side kind of hurting, now it's like front. I think it's transferring, but it's I cannot jump around. I can use my right foot. I can jump, but left foot is impossible to jump now. Yesterday I did some meditation to my foot, medication, but still I cannot jump, so I will more focus on my app, okay guys, today? Uyghur Astronaut, Minnie, Dean, thanks for you guys, stay tuned, and please just click the like button and share for me, guys. Damn, it's so weird. I mean, you try to do exercise and your foot is like injured. You can't even move properly. So I will do more. Yeah, I will do more dumbbell. I will do more dumbbell and my ab. Since I cannot jump around. Welcome guys. Thanks for you guys stay tuned. I wish my foot will be better in this week. But it's not a big deal. I cannot just because of that, oh, I need a rest now. I feel bad if I can't continue my challenge. Oh, inside probably. I'll do some bicep too. I got this heavy. It's like 35 pounds probably. Still not bad. I think I need a. No guys, only like a 7 days or 8 days challenge so far. But I feel like I lose a little bit badly. I don't know. Damn. As long as I'm spending two hours a day doing something, that is my goal, guys. I don't want to like since it's a quarantine and I did nothing all day on computer or TV or phone, you know, that is really making me feel bad. Kind of feel like wasting my time, you know. I mean, you are 30 years old man and you don't have that much of time, but you know, if I all day don't do anything, not good. I feel like I'm like my 5 months old daughter. She just do nothing, right? She just poop, she sleep, pee, that's it, right? I don't want to be like her, right? I'm 30 years old, I'm a dad of her, so I'm a father. At least a little improvement, guys. My feet is hurt, but I don't think it's gonna bother me to work out my arm or something. Oh, no problem, man. Mini, no problem. If you guys wanna see my daughter, just let me know after that. After the workout, I'll bring her here. I'll show you guys. But you have to let me know, guys, okay? Alright, let me do my arm or bicep. Allah. The more slowly I do, the more like efficient, especially for bicep. I don't want to like move my body or move my my arm so fast. I want to slowly feel that. Wow. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 2 more, 1, 2 more, 1, 2. Okay. Oh, yeah, it's like it's not a roof, it's my little patio. It's little patio, and I put camera a little lower, so everything's good, guys. So 1 minute blank. 1 minute. 1 minute, guys. Okay. Let me. 1 minute.
Hey,
Woo.
yeah.
Woo.
Yani geldim teklemakan tarımın bop konusu. Asırım tarım Uyghur ciratki tepilmezsen homusi. Kaynamladın ozuk elip çıktın tarım oğlu bu. Şerbanları teklemakandı yürüdü şundak oğru bu. Cinçaplaştı yalnız zerah çıktı lege piçirla. Akızlamı yolga çıktı yan başları geçirla. Bahalaştı tanıvatı men kara özanın aktiga. Yokap kessem peyda buluman ölmüşsem ne haftada. Yüreklerde onun bozsun.
1 minute even hot.
Sarındı vilki berey ortavalgın şaldama. Çöçeklerde eğitilgini bunundan bek burun. Hazinemde saklanıp atıdı menin yazganlar bir kurum. Hain bolsa kandallıkның ozul kol vəzirləri. Xuddu toyda ısıp gidiyordu padişanın nəzirləri. Dolallıqlarının kadımı enkilask sananda. Kötə işkilikdən sıpıqda kızmış yananga. Qaysı partini çıqsasa yaman dəqli tunup kal. Və qızıqsan izləp gəlgin saray öydülə konup kal. Əmma dəmge teptüydüm keldim açalma çamguri. Hayatlı bolsam yağıdığını hip-hop şəhərinin yamguri. Küçük bellik vapalı, küçük bağmıdı. Meşal bolsun spikerlar natıqlarının namıdı. Yer şarıdı tok toktusu meşal yakıt yürütüdü. Yoruk yoldu meşal başlap gül gidini purutudu. Yirak makandın turnula kandan urup küçük geldi. Tunuşturuş hatır bolgat seferlerini küçük geldi. Ecdatlarının mühürü min yıldı ki mişallı. Yılı cemiyetke menar sattı önün işçi kallı. Esuvasan eğer kölüdü.
Thanks, guys. Thanks for stay tuned, guys. Yeah. To be honest, since you have some part of your body is like not working well, So you really kind of, I want to relax today, but yeah, I can relax. I can't stop this challenge, but you don't know that bad feeling is damaging your brain, your mood, you know? I don't want to fucking be a loser or like quit, you know? Not even finish. Like you quit school, like you quit job, like you give up something. So if my foot has injured, I can work up my upper body, right? I can do my shoulder, I can do my chest, I can do my back. I just don't want to stop, guys. Maybe in 1 week, my foot will be good. Today is already way better than yesterday. Yesterday I was moving like this, guys, like this. But now I can. That's why I wear these lighter shoes. Yeah, a little bit left. I still need to protect. That's why I'm not gonna jump, guys. Okay? Please give a like button if you got a little inspired. If you think I'm worth it, just give me like button, guys. How you doing, Mini? Long time. 2 days or 3 days? Alright, guys. One more bicep workout. Yallah. One. Two. Three. Four. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. Wow. Later I will load all the weight to my dumbbell, and I will do 4 sets of my chest workout. Since I don't have like bench, I will do flat press, not bench press, okay? With the dumbbell. It works, it helps you more upper and middle chest. I'll show you guys later. Oof. Yeah, bro. There's no. You can't quit, man. Like, I can just stop and lay down. But like I said again, I feel like I am nothing different with my 4-month-old daughter, you know. She just eat, poop, and just curious for everything, you know. Don't do anything, right? The little baby cannot even walk, cannot eat, don't have a teeth. Like, you know, just drink milk, sleep, wake up. If I don't even do this, you know, during the quarantine, I feel like I'm like a 4-month-old baby. Do not. If I don't do, okay, that is halal for her, but not halal for me, right? That type of lifestyle. I need to do something. Okay, I will do some ab workout. I did my 2 sets of ab workout already, and I will do my. No, I didn't do lower. I will do one lower. Yeah. As long as I'm not gonna damaging. My lower. Okay, this is my lower ab. Okay, guys. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Whew. Damn. Who is the dean? No, the dean is who is the new? No one is new, I think. Yeah, she been following me a couple months. Let's do it, let's do it. What is the next? What is that? Plank, 1 minute plank again. Yes, eat four. Okay. Alright, 1, 2, 3. 1 minute, guys. I will increase the time step by step, guys, okay? Whew. What? 20 seconds left. 10 seconds. Yes. Yeah, just 1 minute. The best time I only can do 3 minutes too. I will keep increase the duration of this plank workout every day, maybe 5 seconds. Today I do 1 minute. Next tomorrow 65 seconds. You know, then 70 seconds, 75 seconds, like that. Whew. Whew. How's your day, astronaut? How's your day, Mini? You guys doing good? No pain, no gain. Yes, I like that. No pain, no gain. Yeah, almost. Tomorrow it will be my quarter. It means I finished a quarter of my challenge, like 25% of my challenge. So yeah, I'm there. I'm almost. I just keep going. Just wanna, you know. All right. One more bicep. Ya Allah. Ya Allah. Üç.
Kalbimde korkunuş, ziddiyet korkunuş. Başlangıç nima? Demek durab bu yerga so'qilish. Asqatmada tuqqan, ben xili bir ollu tuqqan. Aqldan qashimda qon qo'limda o'zim ulab tuqqan. Qaysini day? Rastım uyag'andim-u, asfaltga lastirolmay o'laydaqla qolgandim-u. Qaysini day? Haqning belini ag'andim-u, oyoqni o'lgidakga qo'lga qo'yib so'qandim-u. G'amg'onda yig'layolmay, yurakka tushaydi. Sababsiz yolg'iz qolganda jam bo'lish.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Whew. Finish 2 sets of ab workout, 3 sets of arm, and 2 sets of plank. So I have 2 sets of that each left, 1 set of this, and 4 sets of chest ground press. I used to drink, I used to smoke, but tough. I don't drink, I don't smoke now. Since we married, I quit everything. I used to drink a lot, man. I was party boy. I just let me know. Just let you know. I used to drink, I used to smoke, yeah. But I quit, man. Before marriage, I quit smoking for 2 years. March, yeah, more than 2 years. Quit drinking more than almost 3 years. Yeah, I quit one by one. Yeah, cigarette. Both is nasty, man. Alcohol, cigarettes, bullshit. It doesn't help. Especially alcohol. Alcohol is like a slow motion killer. I mean, I'm a cigarette too. It just helped me become more depressed, like smoking like a cigarette, and cigarette is okay, but alcohol almost fucked me up. So I don't do that shit anymore. Yes, let's do it. Let's do it. What the heck? What's the next? So one more plank. Okay, let me do an app. Yeah, I'm not saying that people who smoke and drink is bad person, you know what I'm saying? I don't think I was bad person even though I was drinking, I was smoking, okay? And I cannot judge people, so it's good to, it's just bad habit, it's just nasty habit. But you cannot judge people because of that. We're not the judge, the judge is our God, right? We don't have ability to judge people, so when I met my wife, current wife, after I quit drinking, but that time I smoked cigarettes. But she's like very religious, she's very nice lady, but she never like say I'm a, you know, she wish I can quit smoking too, but she never said or judge me because of that. Because we don't have that ability, like uh, like a car don't have ability to fly, right? So we don't have, as a creation human being, we cannot judge another person as good, go heaven, or good in religions or not. Who will go heaven, who will go hell? We cannot decide it though. So, but I know it's nasty habit. Nasty habit. I did that just, you know, Chinese society was like that. If you don't do that, I mean, you know what's gonna happen. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ah, 10. Actually, I still have 10 more left. Let's finish it. Let's finish it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and hop down. Ooh. Whew. Oh yeah. Yeah, when I was doing my master, that day was the hardest day in my life, to be honest, you know. Like, if I fail, I might already ended up in concentration camp, to be honest. That time is like 2015 to 2017. 2 years. if I quit school that time because of I'm just lose, you know, because it's too hard, I might ended up go back, ended up in concentration camp. But I know I have to accomplish something. I came here, I need to do it. And my chemistry background like undergrad like knowledge, almost forget everything. And then I started my master for chemistry directly. It's so hard. I need to study from the beginning, and then all the chemistry compound name like is way different in America than Chinese teachers. You have to learn everything from scratch, basically. So it was so hard. That time, I also tried give myself a goal for accomplish workout challenge too. Not because of I'm too busy and I want to make myself busier. No, the workout things make you more energy. Stay aware, stay awareness. You know, stay mind clear mind. You know, it's good for you study too. After workout, like in the morning, I go study, I teach, and I get to class. I finish my lab around 4 p.m. Right? Usually your day is end at 4 p.m. Any full-time job, you'll go home and finish your day. But 4 p.m. I'll go gym. I come back at 5 p.m. Then I kind of very energetic again, and then I can study more. You know, it's very good. Like exercise. You don't. My goal is not professional like bodybuilder or fitness or stuff like that. My goal is just to suffer like a little bit a day, like 2 hours. Suffer from the sun, get feel hot, push 2 hour or pull 2 hour, you know. Then the rest of the day with a clear mind, happy mood, because it will release dopamine. So that's a chemical you need to stay healthy, stay happy. So this is a natural way to get dopamine to your body. That's why. If you keep doing that, yeah, that's a succeed. You can stay aware mind, stay healthy mind, right? Yes, let's do it. 40, not 40, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Okay, my third set of my app just accomplished. Whew. Yeah, you're right, bro. Clear mind. It's very important for us. Yes, as a Uyghur, when we open especially Uyghurs, if we open our social media, right, it's all, I mean, nowadays coming some good news, but the majority still bad news for us, like sad news. You might get mad, you might get sad. So how you can like fresh your mind to get rid of all those fucking negativity? It's focus on what you do. Focus on how you improve yourself, right? Focus on how to getting stronger, so we're not gonna get injured by those fucking media. And it is, if every Uyghurs, you, me, everyone with a clear mind, right? We gotta hit each other, set up our final goal, just work for our final goal, and stay close to each other, smile to each other. Then we will end up very good, better futures. And now, imagine every single nation in the world, like a majority of the nation. I'm saying like who have a country. We are the one of them. We are the one who spread the civilization to the whole Central Asia. We are the one who spread the civilization, a business, a cultural Islam to the whole Central Asia for 2,000 years. Now we don't have our country. We are such an awesome nation, such a great nation. We don't have our country. There's something wrong. We have to dig that out and stop. You know? For improve ourselves, we have to get some mystic point, like bullet point. What the mistake we did in the history. Okay, why we ended up like this life? Why we ended up get so much messed up? 10 reasons. We have to list it up and avoid it in our future life. Instead, build the country and again and then lose again and again. You know? Why we lose our country? Why Uyghurs have no country called Uyghuristan, Uyghuria? Like those names of the country means like you are the owner of that land, that place. We have to have that type of, even it's small, you know, we don't have to like all the land is mine, and if it belongs to Kazakh, okay, Kazakh, we don't take anything from someone else. We are not that nation. We are the kind and the honest nation. This is yours. This is, but we have to have our independent nation, independent state. That's what I think. No, I don't. No, I don't have that plan so far, but I'm planning something else. I'll discuss. I'll talk later in the future, but not now. We are planning something else so far, so we will do it one by one. Okay, I finished the third, so I use my last set. Okay, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm done with bicep one. Will you interview Yeah, if I interesting someone, if I really want to talk someone, I might, you know, if I really curious to ask someone some question. But what's the point for interview? I can just call, right? Yo, what's up? Like, what do you think about this? What do you think about that? But interview, no, I'm not the media for the interview stuff like that. The other guys doing pretty well on that. So like Arslan, like we have other media in the New Zealand. Yeah, so they're doing good job. So I don't need. I have to do something else. Just want to improve myself, man. I'm not big activist like that, but I wish I can do a lot to my Uyghurs, to my people too, but a lot of reasons. I'm on my stage. Now my foot a little better, but I cannot still jump. I can't jump. My left foot is okay, but right foot is okay, left foot. But way better than yesterday. Way better, a little bit. Okay, so I'm done with this. I have to my third app. Third set of my app, and one more set of wow. The last interview. The last interview. Which day? Oh, was an interview with Arslan or the? I didn't do interviews. There's a guy last time I was giving a stream. There's a two guy joined me and then talk some bullshit. One of them, one of them talked some bullshit, and I called him back, say, "Hey, are you joking around, or you call my stream and talk shit like that? Do you think we never gonna meet in the future? I wish so." Like, I was like, "Why you call me at midnight?" Oh, oh, you was there, nice. Yeah, I have some people I want to talk, but you know that Uyghurs outside. Uyghurs outside, we have a big range of people. You know, it's like people grew up in different society. Like, not I'm saying like in my people. Like after that, like people in German, people in Japan, people in Turkey, people in Uyghur in Turkey, Uyghur in America, Uyghur in Australia, has totally different mindset about this politics, about our history, about everything. So it's hard for me to, you know, to make everyone's happy. So I will just do my own stuff for now. So this is my last one. Ya Allah. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yo, last one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Last 10. 1, 2, four, five, six,
Tilep yağmur asmadı Ötmekten öykünüm Seni
this workout saint. I know a lot of people start and stop, start and stop because the consistency is really, really important than or how good exercise you did on each day, you know. Okay, you might just set up 3 days a week, but you have to keep consistent every week, like at least 1 year or 2 years. Then you will feel like, okay, there's big improvement on your body physically and your body, your mind set like spiritually. Consistency is way more important. So that's it. So, and I can meet more friends here. You know, I like that. Oh yeah, I forgot that. I will do at the end a little bit. I think I have a time to like 45 minutes. After this, 1 minute plank and then chest workout. I still have time to do some stretch because today I didn't warm up my body that much. I didn't run, you know. So stretch workout, you have to warm up your body. Like you feel like your body is sweating, then you start do it. It has more flexibility. Your tendons more flexibility for pull, you know. So now I'm ready for that. Let's do the lower up 30. Well, we'll do this way today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. I did 50 on that because it's easier than. And in the future, I will do more ab workout. No, leg and my back. I'll start add it up. Then it's whole body workout, guys. There's a lot of workout. You don't need anything. You just need a yoga mat or the carpet like this. You can do at home. We will learn together. I will open the YouTube and check, and I will teach you guys if I'm confident with that. So now is my 1 minute plank time. Hello, Ashik, Khudaya Ashik. I like your name, Khudaya Ashik. I am a Ashik for Khuda too. Thank you. Hi there, Khudaya Ashik. I think you started following me from 3 months ago, right? Alright, let's do 1 minute last set. Yep, Allah. Only 20 seconds. 30 seconds. 40 seconds. Oh, 50. Yeah, Allah. So, I did a plank for 4 sets. Each day 1 minute. I will do another day with 1 minute tomorrow. And then every 2 days, I will increase 5 more seconds, okay guys? Tomorrow, I will do 60 seconds again, 1 minute plank. But the day after tomorrow, I will increase to 65 seconds, 1 minute 5 seconds, okay guys? And I can do it, I did that before. That's how I increased to 3 minutes. When I'm able to do 3 minutes or 2 minutes, then you will see I can feel my ab stretch on my back, feel amazing. So, I think I'm done with the majority. Hold on. I need a. Yeah, it's okay, bro. Khudaya Ashik, it's okay, bro. As long as your support is there, I'm satisfied for that. I can't complain. I didn't mix that much good content as well. So, guys, I think I did three sets of my ab. I think I have one more left, so I will finish that and then I will start chest. Then we will done, okay? I like your name. Let's do it. Stay there, please. My beautiful flag. Yallah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 5, 6. Whew. 8, 9, 10. Wow. Sweating so hard. Yes, guys, please don't forget give a like button if you really support. If you think, oh, this guy, this Uyghur man is doing not awesome. I'm not saying I'm doing awesome. Okay, at least he's not wasting his time like a lot of people. Then please give me a like button, guys. Subscribe my channel. I want to reach my 40 days challenge goal by get extra 2,000 subscribers, guys. Please, if you think you want to support me, just share my channel to others. And if you don't want to miss any content, click that ring bell button as well, guys. All right, let me do it. Ya Allah. 1, 2, 3, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 81. Oh no, 20. What the heck? I'm saying 81. After 18, I just count 81. Damn. Alright, 20. Last 10 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, guys. Yo, with you guys, yo, for real, your workout with a stream is way better. I mean, you can have some power because of you guys. Yeah, we will. I can visualize, I can see one day when I work out, maybe in that time I already moved to somewhere nicer, you know. My plan is that by the next May, I will move somewhere beautiful. Now where I'm living is a very expensive, like, and too many people, it's busy area. I want to move somewhere slower and beautiful. Then I can have nicer. I want to work out in natural park, you know, or my future like nicer backyard than this. Look at this, this is so ugly. In the future, I can visualize, I can imagine one day a workout stream. There's like 1,000 people watching on YouTube. I will make sure. Keep working out, keep working out. If I can do it consistently, couple months or couple years, that definitely, you know, will come true, I believe. Because the more you give, the more you get, right? And every day there's like 1, 2, 3 people engaging with our channel. Like today we just Khudaya Ashak. Nice. See, today is Khudaya Ashak joined our channel. Our conversation. Tomorrow, another guys, the day after tomorrow. Keep going. It takes time. I am gonna make sure I will keep working out, keep do it consistently, and especially in the similar time, like this time. I will try to do this time all the time. So now my chest workout, guys, I will load all the way to the dumbbell, which is 55 pounds plus a bell, so probably like almost 60 pounds for each hand. Okay, guys? All right. So in the future, let's grow this channel together. I have some other followers on Twitch. Now we communicate on Discord. We will reach this community, and we are building this community. Honestly, it takes time, but as long as, again, consistency. If we keep doing, not quit, not get discouraged, keep doing, then we will reach what we want. I will make sure keep investing in this channel. Yeah, this is all the weight this dumbbell has. This is all the weight this dumbbell has, guys. I set this. You know, all the gym in my city, in my places, in San Francisco or the whole Silicon Valley Bay Area, all gym closed, no gym open. I was waiting for the gym open and then I will start back to the gym life. But even though it's open, I am the one like worried not go. I don't think it's safe enough to me go. And you wearing the mask and do this type of hard workout, it's horrible. I can't imagine how they wearing mask and doing this squat, you know, cardio. So, and it's not open anyway. So I started on my backyard. I will load it up slowly, slowly, and I'm eating healthier than before now. I don't eat pizza or burgers, stuff like that. We eat homemade. We don't eat outside, never. So it will be better. Okay, guys. See, this is only bell is 55 pounds for each, and the dumbbell total is almost 60 pounds, guys. Let's do it. Good. Good. Yo. Oh. Yeah, I still can. This is the maximum. Still a little light for me, but yo, Khudaya aşık. For me too. I stopped working out for like half year. I grew a lot of belly, a lot of fat. My weight is keep increasing because I wake up in the morning and I eat something. You know, I check what I can eat. Like if there's some chocolate, I'll just eat chocolate. Midnight, you know what I'm saying? Since I quit smoke cigarette, like I eat a lot of like candy. You know. So I'm keep gaining weight, 2 hours impossible. That's why I'm not even work so hard, you know. Just chill with you guys and work out for 2 hours. It's okay. I'm slowly. In the future, I want to buy like a punching bag here. Or maybe in my future address, I'll buy a punching bag. I'll buy some equipment. Because I'm gonna move from here soon, so I don't want to buy too much. It's so hard for me to move in the future. So, when my next address, Hopefully it's kind of might be my permanent address in the future. So I will buy more equipment, start home workout. Now we have limited condition. Yo, thanks, Mini. Mini. Welcome back, Mini. Since my feet has a little injured, I'm not getting up even so much. I'm just doing my upper body workout. Okay, guys? Yeah. YOLO. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I will lower slowly since it's a little light for me, so I will go slowly, okay? 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right. Thank you. Thanks for you keep saying that too, Mini. It's okay. You supporting me, I support you. It's just the skin. It's alright, bro. If you like it, if you enjoy it, I'm glad you're happy about that. Yeah, like I said, it's just beginning. In the future, we'll keep investing in this channel, this Twitch stuff. I still need you guys' support, so I will keep investing in this channel. Like that means in the future, I have my own income, right? I have my job, so I don't need income from the channel, from the followers, but I heard if I develop, I can get some money back. That time I will invest into the channel again. So I will do giveaway. I spend more money on these channels. We will benefit, okay, guys? That's how you make that snowball effect. So it just start. In the future will be, more. It's alright. So I will finish 2 more chest press and then some stretch workout and finish today's workout, guys. I still have 22 minutes. You see? No, I didn't. What that mean? You see? You support me? No, I mean, if you like it, it's a game, it's a skin, right? It's if you like it, I see you happy, so I'm okay. I feel satisfied. I feel glad. Okay, so you are supporting me by staying here talking with me in my Twitch channel, right? So you give what you got, bro. You got what you give. I'm sorry. So you give me support, I'll give you support too. Yalla. Yes. You got what you give, guys. I want to get power, so I'm giving the power right now. You know what I mean? I want to be powerful, so I have to give power right now. One, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I will be back, guys. I need to get some drink. My tongue is so dry, I can't even talk properly. My wife was cooking something and I said, what is that? She said, healthy polo with no oil. I was like, what? Polo without oil? Let's see what is that be. Thank you though. You know I'm trying to eat healthy, so she made a polo without oil. Yeah, bro. Thanks for saying that. A brother from another mother is pretty cool word to say. Whew. The only difference I'm working out here than the gym before, it's just sun. I mean, if you work out indoors, there's like a fan, right? Yeah, I mean, there's never gonna be sun like this strong. This sun is like soak your energy when you fall asleep, you know. But it's okay. I feel like this way is more healthy, probably. Okay, guys, I can do a lot of workout with just one dumbbell like this. Yo, my foot is better than, way better than yesterday, but still a little left. But I feel like better than the before I work out today, you know. Hudaya Ashik, if you is here. Yeah, bro, I know it's 2-hour workout, it's nothing, it's so hard for beginning. It is, but you don't have to do like that hard, you know. We can start slowly. That's why this channel, for inspire each other, just to improve each other through the screen, through the monitor. Be a group, be a community, and inspire each other, grow up each other, improve each other. Yes, that's the purpose. I wish I can get that point. If you see me working 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, it might okay, but if you saw me working out every day, I believe I can inspire you guys. Oh, I need to work out too, you know. I need to do something too. I don't want, yeah, you know, like definitely help. That's why I always subscribe some like a gym channel, gym group. I don't talk with him, but if you watch it, if you saw it do workout a day, every day, it will like affect you. It will inspire you. Do it one day. My wife playing song. She got phone call. My wife playing song like with her phone, connected the Bluetooth speaker. Ya Allah. Ya Allah. Last set of the press, guys. Yeah. Best. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Oh, I'm good. I need to cover my dumbbell, otherwise tomorrow it's so hot to touch. I can't touch it. Oh. Guys, how many minutes left? 15 minutes left. See ya, Mini. Stay tuned, man. Click the bell button. Thank you, Mini. I may stream on the Twitch later if you're there. No, I still cannot move, so I will just do stretch workout. Take this off. All right. Guys, last 10 minutes, right? Last 10 minutes. Yes. I mean, if something you do for someone else, you may wanna, okay, I shouldn't do that, you know? if you're working for someone else, what I believe is, yeah, I shouldn't work for someone else. You may have an excuse to stop, right? But those all things like work out is for ourselves. Only me get benefit, you know. If I work out, I am the beneficiary. So why there's no excuse to stop. So if something benefit ourselves, we should keep doing, guys. And we have a long way to go. We have a lot of things to do in the future. The healthy body is a foundation, fundamental for everything. I don't care when I die, to be honest, you know, like, because when we die is not from us, from the God, right? But how we live is definitely from us.
Толғанып сәрді көзіне жетіп ойғынып пекіртіп аттым яна саатқа қойылынып тұрып ойланып.
Let's see I can touch my ground with my palm or not while I'm standing up. Oh yeah, I can do it. See? I don't want to bend my foot, not bend my leg, and I touch the ground with my palm. That's what I want. Yes, yes, yes. See, only 9 days. The first day, I can only touch probably. Now I can. Ah. Ah. Oof, guys. Yes. Excuse. Yo. I have a million excuses if I want, just don't do it. Million. And it's all work because I am the boss for my own self, right? No one pressed me to do anything. But then that's called discipline. You control yourself, control your time, your agenda by yourself, by your will. You know, that's called discipline. Discipline is a key to succeed in everything. So I can have a million reasons not to do it. Oh, today is too sunny. Oh, today my body is so sour, my foot injured. I don't feel well. Internet is not good. I can find a million and still can lie, cheat on myself. Okay, yeah, I have good excuse to not do it, but and I know I'm just cheating. The cheater is always be cheater like Chinese Communist parties. He cheat from the beginning, and you watching what's their end, what's it gonna be end, how's it gonna end. So all the world come together saying, F you China, F you Chinese virus. That's for the end, for the cheater. So for ourselves, we shouldn't cheat. We shouldn't find some excuse. We just do it. Oh, my foot is getting better, guys. See? Sometimes, you know, just exercise maybe even help to recover. Oh, I have 6 minutes left. The last 6 minutes. Did I do okay? I think I have 1 more minute plank. I think I did 3 sets. Oh, I did 4 sets. Okay, I don't care. I will just do 1 more. Do more always better than do less, okay? One more plank. 1 minute, not long. Ya Allah. Yep, start it. When you do plank, don't focus on the time. When you're struggling, it's good to like distract yourself. When you like really cannot hold that much, try to think something else, something beautiful, something relaxable to distract yourself. You're still doing the same amount, same time, but time goes faster. 35 seconds already. 45. Distract. How are you doing, guys? I'm distracting myself. 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. 1 minute. Yeah. It's just too hot, guys. Hot is another excuse if I don't want to do it. I never see anyone working out under this type of summer, on the hottest day. I can have a beautiful excuse to not work out. Oh, my house is too small, there's no air coming out. And outside is too hot. So sunshine, so much sunshine. What I'm doing, yeah, for improve ourselves, guys. Just don't waste our time. I think I have how many seconds? Any question, guys? If you wanna talk any topic, any questions, just let me know. I have 4 or 5 minutes to talk. I'm kind of done with today's workout. I can talk, guys. So, Hudaya, is this where you from, bro? Turkey or Europe or America or? Yo, guys, I didn't see that much of like button. Don't forget, click the like button, guys. So far, the fitness challenge video, the most like button I got is 11 or 12. This is nothing, guys. So since I did 11, I got 11 like button, so I shouldn't. Oh, Turkey, great. Turkey. Let me talk about a little about Turkey, though. Turkey is every Uyghur's dream place. When we were in East Turkestan, right? When we were in the east part of Turkestan, we are. Since because of 2009, Recep Tayyip Erdogan came to Urumqi, we feel so good. We feel like that's gonna be our hometown. We can develop our life, our career in Turkey. But I am, as an individual, I really want to go to Turkey as well, because we need something called motherland, right? Since we lost our land already, so I want to go somewhere to live, like feel some motherland. But I don't want to go there as a refugee, you know. I want to go somewhere. I go there as a okay. I want someone welcome me, right? Like, oh yeah, Shadman, you come, welcome. Here's your home, something like that. I don't want to go there like, oh, China is beating us so hard. Please give me somewhere to stay. I don't want to be the refugee like Syrian, right? So I want to improve myself. When I was 25 years old, so I try to go outside first to finish my education, to get higher education, then go to Turkey. Turkey is always the best place for me that time, I believe, right? I believe that Turkey is my hometown, for all Turks' home. But that's why I'm always trying to finish my university here and then go Turkey one day. Even though after I graduate from here to 2017, I was planning to move to Turkey as well. But something sad news coming out from there too. Like I know Turkey has a lot of trouble themselves as well. Like a lot of country has some problem with Turkey. I know, understand Turkey is is a historical strong country, so a lot of Western country or like Middle East don't kind of like them, so they have a lot of pressure, and they have to deal with China at that time. They needed some finance support, so they start asking support from China, and then they kind of start to turn blind eyes to Uyghurs. I don't blame Turkey. We did not. No one owe us anything, right? America don't owe us anything. Turkey don't owe us anything. Muslim world don't owe us anything. If we fucked up, we fucked up. Not because of someone else. We fucked up, right? We fucked up by ourselves. So, still, one day, I wish Turkey will stay strong against China again, like what they said on the movies they make. How they advertise as the leader of the Islam world. I want to see something in the future, and wish again I can go there to visit my friends. I have a lot of friends in Turkey, but I don't have a chance to go there. But I believe one day I will go. Maybe if I am able to live there, I'm willing to live there. It's a beautiful place, beautiful people. In whole Turkic nation, the Islam or the Turkic identity is most, you feel most like a beautiful there. But I really don't want to go there with like a refugee, I want to go there, at least can do something for Turkey. That's why I'm developing myself one day, so that we can go home, go our motherland, Turkey or East Turkestan, wherever we go, we can do or contribute to development to that place. That's what I want. Yeah, I can't say too much, I know you understand. So, alright guys, wish we have more chance to talk in the future. And thanks for you guys, stay tuned. Don't forget, click the like button and share the video, please guys, please. Thank you, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget tomorrow. Stay tuned guys.